Hi everybody, my name is Roberto, I am from Brazil and I will present my portfolio about algorithms and software development. In this work, a list library was implemented in C language. Functions to initialize the list, to verify if the list is empty, to print the list, to insert elements in the beginning or in the end of the list, to insert sorted, to remove a specific element, to remove initial element, to turn a list empty, to invert a list, to search for a number in the list, to merge lists were implemented. To understand how Quicksort and Heapsort algorithms work, intelligent printing was adopted, printing each step of these algorithms. A software-to-telephone company was implemented in Java language. This work contains classes to user information, to network information, to user messages, to comments of users, and the main class. Each class contains methods that implement the various functionalities of classes. A small operational system was implemented in C language. This system was done by a sequence of tasks. These tasks are context switching, task library, creation of processes, thread creation, philosopher's dinner, queue library, dispatcher, priority scheduling, preemption, main task, operator join, task sleep, semaphores, algorithms for page replacement. To find a path between two vertices, three heuristics and Dijkstra were implemented. The first vertex has the number 0 and the final vertex has the number 99. The three heuristics are based on probabilistic roadmaps, bug1 and vector field histogram. Theoretical and experimental complexity were obtained for Dijkstra and for the three heuristics implemented. 3 or 4 TCP/IP layers simulation were done. In the application layer, the client requires to the server a file. One can see this message at the browser. In the network layer, the client finds a path to the server. In the physical layer, the server sends packages to the client. Then the file is received by the client. Using the unified modeling language, the software ezStore was projected. This software was done to a small store. The activity diagram, the use case diagram, the navigation diagram, the screen prototypes, the classes diagram, and the deployment diagram were created. The documentation contains more details. Combining UML and Django framework, a software to taxi cooperative was created. There are different use cases for taxi drivers and associates. The documentation contains functional requirements, non-functional requirements, specification of use cases among several diagrams, and the screen prototypes. Using UML, Django framework, tests in black box and white box were created and implemented for 2 use cases of a News Integrator software. All designed tests can be viewed at documentation.